Hello Mzenzi, the Free State High Court in Bloemfontein has declared Dr. Nandipha's deportation from Tanzania lawful. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for the latest Mugozi. Judge Philip Lobster says the application is dismissed and it comes with costs. So Dr. Nandipha, she remains in custody and she is accused of allegedly assisting Thabo to escape from prison. Earlier this month, Dr. Nandipha alleged that she had been kidnapped during her attendance at a gathering in Tanzania. She claimed to have been forcefully held captive for several days before managing to escape. On the other hand, a senior police officer investigating Thabo prison break has died and in alleged of an apparent suicide. So what is your take on this, Mzansi? Till I see you again, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for the latest Mugozi. Hit the notification bell below. Bye bye.